Gusto ko, kakantahan muna natin si Pia. In a cappella way na lang kasi hindi nakapag-ready raw yung ating sound system eh. So in a cappella way, we'll sing a happy birthday song for Sophia. So, lahat tayo kakanta together with Mommy and Daddy, Tito and Titas out there. We'll sing a loud and clear happy birthday song for Sophia. Okay, Ate Sophia, tayo ka para makita ka ng ating mga guests. Okay, hands down, bitaw-bitaw na. Okay, on my count, sabay-sabay po tayo lahat kakanta ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, one more time. Ba't ganun happy yung song? Ba't malungkot kaya? So we'll do it one more time. Okay, this time, para mas masaya, with matching clapping your hands so yung pumapalakpak ha. Ready? All together, lahat tayo with Mommy and Daddy, Tito and Titas out there. Ready? Ten, 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 ten.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, everybody, let's greet naman Ate Sophia. Sabihin niyo lahat, happy birthday, Sophia.
Happy birthday, Sophia.
Ano yung mas malakas? Go!
Happy birthday, Sophia.
Tayo yung pinaka malakas. Go!
Happy birthday, Sophia.
Last time, yung pinaka mahina. Pero yung go, pinawanan na lang. Okay, everybody clap your hands for Sophia. Okay, again. Good afternoon to each and everyone and welcome to Sophia's 7th birthday. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, you'll be enjoying the game kasi maraming hinanda sila Daddy and Mommy and the whole family nila na mga prizes for each and everyone. And also later on, pwede kayo magpalagay ng face paint like this. Ako yung model ng aking face painter. Ako yung model niya eh. Okay. So later on, you can ask your JR sa labas. Hindi sa simbahan, hindi na kayo pupunta sa church. Diyan lang sa labas. Ayun yun, yung naka-yellow na yun. You can ask my face painter, si Kuya JR, para magpalagay ng ganito. But for now, we'll start with the games. Ready na ba kayo, kids?
Yes.
But cool, okay. Not enough vitamins. Okay, again. Are you ready, kids?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Even Ate Sophia, the birthday girl, can join.